Today we'll be adding a bathroom exhaust fan into this washroom. Currently there is none. There's only a window and that meets building code. But really, who wants to open their window in the wintertime or in the summertime? You want to have a bathroom exhaust fan to efficiently and effectively get rid of all the moisture in the bathroom when you're having a shower. So we'll be adding a fan into the ceiling there, vented through the roof. And we'll also be adding some LED disc lights in the ceiling too to give some added light. So we'll show you the process.
I need to get some more blankets and stuff. I don't know if you've had the same experience as me.